The year 2025 has brought with it some remarkable innovations in aviation and automotive technology, and one of the most unexpected yet fascinating entries comes from Subaru. A company widely recognized for its rugged cars, rally heritage, and all-wheel drive systems, Subaru has now stepped into an arena few could have predicted, developing an unmanned support aircraft. This leap into aerial technology demonstrates not just the company's vision for the future but also its commitment to integrating automotive engineering with aerospace solutions. Today, we will take a deep dive into this groundbreaking machine, the 2025 Subaru's Unmanned Support Aircraft, exploring its design, capabilities, applications, and the surprising ways it may transform not only defense and rescue operations but also civilian logistics. This is Car Review, and we are bringing you one of the most exciting explorations of futuristic technology Subaru has ever introduced. When you think of Subaru, images of reliable sedans, practical SUVs, and rally-bred performance machines often come to mind. However, the company has a long-standing involvement in aerospace through Subaru Corporation's Aerospace Company, which has contributed components to helicopters, aircraft, and even space systems. The creation of an unmanned support aircraft is therefore not an isolated leap, but rather an evolution of expertise Subaru has quietly been refining for decades. The 2025 unmanned aircraft represents the culmination of years of design work, merging aerospace innovation with the rugged, all-terrain philosophy Subaru is known for in the automotive world. From the outside, the design of the Subaru Unmanned Support Aircraft immediately signals its versatility. The airframe balances aerodynamic efficiency with durability, crafted from advanced composites and lightweight alloys that allow it to carry significant payloads without sacrificing speed or endurance. The wings are designed with modular extensions, enabling the aircraft to switch between different configurations depending on its mission profile. For long-range reconnaissance or resupply, extended wings enhance lift and fuel efficiency, while shorter configurations prioritize maneuverability in confined spaces or urban zones. The body features stealth-enhancing contours, reducing radar cross-section, while also incorporating rugged landing gear to handle both prepared runways and rough terrain landing zones. Powering this machine is a hybrid propulsion system that echoes Subaru's automotive DNA. The company has integrated a combination of a turbocharged aviation engine with an electric assist system, delivering both raw thrust and efficient cruise capability. This hybrid system not only ensures extended range but also allows for quieter operations when stealth or environmental concerns demand discretion. Much like Subaru's e-Boxer hybrid cars, the philosophy is about balance, power when you need it, efficiency when it matters most. The propulsion system also provides redundancy, meaning even if one component fails, the aircraft can remain airborne and complete its mission. One of the most innovative features is the use of Subaru's proprietary autonomous navigation and terrain mapping technology. Drawing inspiration from the EyeSight driver assist system found in its cars, Subaru has created an aerial equivalent that employs multiple sensors, cameras, and lidar units to detect and avoid obstacles, even in complex environments. This gives the unmanned aircraft exceptional ability to navigate valleys, mountains, forests, or even urban landscapes with minimal operator input. It can autonomously reroute its path if weather changes or if unexpected obstacles appear, ensuring mission safety and efficiency. The 2025 Subaru Unmanned Support Aircraft has been envisioned for a wide spectrum of missions. On the defense side, it can provide supply runs to troops in remote or hostile areas, carry surveillance equipment, or even deploy drones for extended reconnaissance. The aircraft can carry modular pods underneath its fuselage, allowing operators to quickly switch between cargo transport, medical evacuation equipment, or surveillance packages. Its payload capacity is designed to handle up to several hundred kilograms, enough for resupplying a forward base or delivering critical medical supplies in a disaster zone. Equally significant are the civilian applications. In the event of natural disasters such as earthquakes, floods, or wildfires, scenarios unfortunately all too familiar in Japan and around the world, the unmanned aircraft can deliver aid to cut-off communities where trucks or helicopters cannot easily reach. It can also be configured for search and rescue operations, using infrared cameras and AI recognition systems to locate survivors. Subaru has emphasized that part of their mission with this aircraft is humanitarian support, ensuring that the same technology that can be deployed in defense has an equal, if not greater, role in saving lives. A particularly interesting aspect is Subaru's focus on operability in diverse weather conditions. Much like their cars, which are known for handling snow, rain, and rugged conditions, the unmanned support aircraft has been engineered with resilience in mind. De-icing systems, weather-resistant sensors, and reinforced structures mean it can fly in adverse conditions where other UAVs may be grounded. This echoes Subaru's brand identity, vehicles that thrive where others falter. Now, let us discuss the control and operator interface. Unlike many UAVs that require specialized and complex ground stations, Subaru has worked on developing a user-friendly system that can be operated from a modular control hub. This hub can be set up in a vehicle, a temporary command post, or even a portable ruggedized laptop, allowing flexibility of operation. The interface draws heavily on Subaru's design philosophy of simplicity and clarity, making it easier for operators with minimal aviation training to deploy the aircraft. This approach significantly broadens its usability for disaster response agencies or even civilian organizations. Endurance is another major highlight. With its hybrid propulsion system and aerodynamic efficiency, the Subaru unmanned aircraft can remain airborne for extended missions of up to 24 hours depending on configuration. This long endurance makes it ideal for persistent surveillance or extended supply missions, reducing the number of flights required and thereby increasing overall efficiency. In terms of speed, the aircraft is designed to cruise at moderate levels, prioritizing endurance and payload capacity over sheer velocity. However, when required, the turbocharged engine allows it to reach higher speeds suitable for urgent delivery missions. Its versatility lies in being neither a slow drone nor a high-speed fighter, but a balanced support platform capable of adapting to mission needs. The software backbone deserves special attention. Subaru has developed an AI-driven management system that not only assists in navigation but also predicts maintenance needs, optimizes flight paths for fuel economy, and monitors environmental impact. The AI can analyze data from previous missions and continuously improve performance, making each deployment smarter than the last. This learning capability sets it apart from many traditional unmanned systems. For Subaru enthusiasts, there is an undeniable excitement in seeing familiar branding on something as futuristic as an unmanned aircraft. The company has even included small nods to its automotive roots, such as a cockpit-inspired operator interface and design cues in the lighting and aerodynamics. It feels like a fusion of car and aircraft worlds, a brand statement that Subaru is not just about vehicles that traverse roads, but also skies. On the global stage, the introduction of Subaru's unmanned support aircraft marks an intriguing development in the UAV market. Traditionally dominated by specialized aerospace companies, the entry of an automotive brand underscores the convergence of industries in the 21st century. Just as Tesla blurred lines between automobiles and energy solutions, Subaru's new platform blurs the lines between cars and aviation. This could spark further innovation, encouraging other automakers to explore aerial mobility solutions, especially in the growing market for unmanned logistics and support systems. There are, of course, questions and challenges that remain. Regulatory approval for unmanned aircraft operations, especially in civilian airspace, is a complex and evolving issue. Subaru will need to work closely with aviation authorities to ensure the aircraft meets safety, security, and operational standards. There is also the question of cost. While the system is expected to be more affordable than traditional manned support aircraft, the advanced technology involved still represents a significant investment. However, Subaru's history of creating accessible yet advanced vehicles